Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, Fruits and Vegetables Shop. I am creating this project, this video on Fruits and Vegetables Shop. This project, Fruits and Vegetables Shop, I have developed in Python and Django. So I got many of the requests from the many of the students. They need some project which has a dual type of UI, means for admin there is a different UI and for user there will be a different UI. So we created this project using two different type of UI and both are the bootstrap theme, and also I am using latest version of Python, that is Python 3.12, and the Django version is 5. So this technology stack I am using. So this is a front end page of the project and the project title is Fruits and Vegetables Shop. I had developed this project in Python, Django and MySQL. I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used for giving some good effects inside the project, like this you can see, and also you can see there is a slider running on the home page. You can see which are coming from the JavaScript, right? You can see here categories also which are coming from the database, and so this is a home page. You can see totally bootstrap theme. This is a about us page. This is a about us page. You can see this, nothing dynamic in this page. This is a static page. This is a products page. You can see all the vegetables and fruits which are coming from the database, and this is a categories. You can see all the categories which is coming from the database. We can add the number of category from the database, and this is also a static page, dynamic page. And this is a user registration page. Here user can easily register, and this is a login, admin login and customer login, and this is a contact us page. This is also a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. You can see we have integrated a small map here for giving some good effects. So let's start the features of inside the projects. You can see almonds dry fruits, price 1100 rupees. If you want to buy, then click on the view details. Oh, here there is a restrictions. Without login you can't buy the any fruits or a vegetable or a dry fruits. So you must have the user account on this portal for buying any products. Without login you can't access the page or for buying any products. So the user ID is customer and the password is test. Now click on the login to account. You can see there is a user dashboard. This is a very attractive dashboard. You can see important links, your orders and all the things. Now click on the shopping and click on the products. If you want to buy the dry fruits like almonds, you can see you can add the quantity, number of items like 2, and click on the add to cart. You can see your item and items cost, quantity and total cost, and click on the proceed to checkout. Here is the dummy page. You can see it's a only dummy page, not a real page. You can enter your 1 2 3 4 name of the card for make payment like a Visa, anything you can enter, expiry date 23rd and CVV, and click on the make payment. You can see your payment has been done, and this is a order summary, and this is a payment summary, and this is a personal details. You can see your orders from the my order sections. If you want to click on I icon, you can see your details about the projects, about the product, sorry. This is a my account page. You can easily update, user can easily update his account, and this is a change password. If user can change the password, he can easily update his password from the from the change password option, and this is a logout. So this is all about the front end thing. One last thing I want to tell you, there is a session driven. You can see that you can see upper up above the admin login and customer login. If I log out, then you can see the menu has been changed because of the session driven. Customer has login, so the system is checking who is login, and accordingly to that upper menu displaying. So this is all about the front end panel what we have developed inside the project. Now comes on the admin panel. So this is a admin login. Here you can change. This is a admin dashboard. You can see this is a very attractive and great dashboard. You can see all the things from here, all products like all orders, all categories, all things. Total order, number of orders, confirmed order, order in transit, total orders. Now click on the product management. Here is add to cart page. Sorry, add to product page. Here you can add the new products from this page, or an admin can add the new products from this page or from the database. This is a product report. You can see all the products report. You can easily edit and delete from here. You can see the product has been open in editable format. You can export the data CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. Click on the add category page. Here admin can add the new category from this page, and this is a category report. You can see all the category report from this page. You can see all the order reports from the all orders page. You can, if you want to click cancel order or a view items, edit order, you can do from this page easily, and you can convert all the report CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. And this is a customer management page, and this is a add to customer. Here admin can easily add customer. This is a customer report page. You can see all the user report from this page, and this is a change password. Admin can easily update his password from this page, and this is a logout. So this is all about the project. So this is the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also the view of user panel. So we have developed these two different types of view for this managing this whole project. So this is all features we have developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirement. So please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.